Brussels is expected to finalise a new set of rules aimed at stopping the transfer of EU data to third countries. It's the first attempt at legislation in reaction to the revelations of whistleblower Edward Snowden. Now, the measure would make America's secret court orders powerless, forcing companies to comply with that of European laws. Now, fines running into billions of euros are designed to discourage anyone from violating the new law. Snowden's findings actually forced EU political groupings to reach agreement over an issue that had caused a 2-year gridlock. Now, among the priorities of the new law is limiting data collection to the minimum necessary, while also protecting an individual's right to erase any private information stored online. And Annie Machon, a former MI5 agent, thinking that there's still a lot of room for improvement when it comes to the issue of protecting one's privacy.
I do think it's a good first step. It's certainly something that the European community tried to do over 10 years ago. They tried to do 2 years ago and were lobbied out of it by Washington. And Edward Snowden's disclosures have ensured that they now have to do it. One would hope, as Brazil is doing, that we would look at how in Europe we could protect our communications infrastructure, the hardware that's at the base of everything we use. Because if we can't trust that, and at the moment we can't because it's very much under US control, then we have some serious problems. It could also be a very good business opportunity for European countries to develop their own infrastructure and start using things like open source software so that they're not US dependent. And I think that might be the way to go in Europe, certainly, to protect ourselves against this egregious and omnipotent snooping that we've seen over the last few years from the NSA.